Do you have a cat who likes to pee on the bed? Well, I got your back. Firstly, you'll need baking soda. Pour some of that baking soda onto the affected areas. Then press it down to make sure that the baking soda will absorb any of the pee that's left. Keep on pressing. After that, use a mini vacuum to get off all the excess baking soda. Keep on vacuuming until it's all clean. And then use a mixture of dishwasher, vinegar, and some baking soda and a mug of water. And use a sponge to scrub it all out, baby. Keep on scrubbing until the stains are off. Then use a clean sponge to scrub it up until it's all clean. And you're done. Let it air dry.